Alright, man, so the other day I was gonna take my bike to get washed and I noticed that my fucking header is split. Look at this shit. It's hanging on by maybe an inch of metal back here. So I'm gonna take it to the shop real quick and see if they can weld it. Hopefully I don't have to take the entire fucking header off, because that means I gotta take the fairings out first and then pull the shit out. So hopefully I can just take the slip off and then they can fucking fix it real quick, man, because I can't have that break. Let's get the fuck out of here. Still attached, because that shit would sound real fucking loud and funky right now. You got a motorcycle? Oh yeah, man, look at this shit. It's fucking no clouds, sunny as fuck, dude. Nice and cool. It's fucking, it was raining like a bitch yesterday, dude, off and on, man, but it was pouring like a bitch too, off and on. Dude, I don't know what the fuck happened to that shit, dude. There's always something with my fucking exhaust, dude. Something with my bike. But you know what? It's cool. It's material shit, but you know, this is my commuter, so I need it. You know, I can't be mobbing around without my fucking exhaust intact, dude. Fuck around and get ticketed for being loud. You're kind of cute, girl. Let's go. Come on. So we should be pulling up on it soon. Let me know if you see it. Should be on my left hand side. I see Loretto's Taco Shop 3617. There it is right there.
Power on. Connected. Aptex.
Secure metal.
Hey, what's up, man? This is Fabian. I talked to you the other day about the bike.
Yep. I'm coming back. I see you.
Okay, cool.
All right, I'll be there in a minute.
All right, thanks.
Let's see your exhaust, bro. Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just hanging on by that tiny ass piece, man.
You drive this thing every day?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. You didn't drive it. It's loud as fuck, huh?
Yeah. I mean, not too bad, but once that shit breaks off, it's gonna be.
How'd you break it?
I don't know, man. Like it was fine. I put the slip on. There was nothing wrong with the pipe. I've had it on for like less than 2 weeks. And then the other morning when I called, actually, I came out to take it to go wash it. And that's when I noticed it. Because I was looking at all the black shit. I was like, all right, I gotta need to clean up right here. And I was like, what the fuck? It's like, god damn, dude.
You thought your pipe was loud, huh? Yeah, dude, unless... No, we can't do it like that. We gotta remove it, bro. Unless I could have my welder push and weld just little dabs there. But he's out in the field right now. He'll be back tonight because he's done that too. But if you're here around 10, 11, 12. How about 2? If you're here around 2, I could have him fucking do it. You know, like, hey, before you leave, hey.
Okay.
How far do you live from here? He's gonna, dude, believe me, he does good work. We'll clean it up, grind it, weld in there, boom, boom, boom. But you can't be driving it a lot, bro.
Yeah.
If you go to the back, then we're fucked. Then we gotta remove it. If it doesn't move, because you still have that much in the back, you're good. All we gotta do is seal from here all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
And if you move it, and if it cracks more, then we gotta get to the back, and then we gotta remove everything.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Yeah, so I'll just take it home. I'll just chill there until it's time.
Sounds good, man.
All right.
All right, Fabian.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, Fabian. Yep. All right, thank you. Well, I guess we'll be back then. Get this shit done. Well, these dudes just called me, so I went and got me some money, and now we're gonna try to get this shit fixed. I don't know how long it's gonna take, man. Hopefully just like an hour or 2 tops.
But it sounds pretty cool. I would leave it like that. You don't need to leave your keys, your bike, your helmet. Come back about 2 days.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
This mother.
Looks like we're running into another type of complication, man. They might not have the right wire or tip for the welder to fix my shit. They're in there looking for it right now. So, hopefully, they got it.
The diamond. I ran into this shit. I don't know what the last one.
Well, we are back in business. My baby has her pipe. This bitch need her pipe. Otherwise, she's grouchy and starts yelling at me. And I don't mind it.